You ever open your banking app and hesitate for a second? Not because you're scared, but because you already know what you're going to see. A number that feels tight. A number that makes every decision heavier. Should I order food or save that money? Can I afford this or am I pushing it? That constant mental math? Yeah, that's not just about money. That's about pressure. But here's something most people don't realize. There's a point, not millions, not even six figures, where that pressure starts to fade. Where money stops feeling like a daily threat and starts feeling like a tool. For a lot of people, that shift begins around $10,000 to $25,000 in savings. Not rich, not flashy, but enough. Let me explain why this number matters so much. Because it's not about the money itself. It's about what it does to your brain. When you have almost nothing saved, your mind is in survival mode. You're not thinking about investing. You're not thinking about opportunities. You're thinking, how do I make it to the end of the month? Every decision becomes urgent. Every expense feels risky. And when your brain is stuck there, it's almost impossible to think long term. But when you build a small financial cushion, something changes. You breathe differently. You think differently. You stop reacting and start choosing. Suddenly, a bad job doesn't feel like a prison. An unexpected expense doesn't feel like a disaster. A new opportunity doesn't feel out of reach. That's the real power of savings. It buys you space. And space creates clarity. Now, here's the part nobody talks about enough. Getting to that first 10, 20K, that's the hardest phase. By far. It feels slow. Sometimes it feels pointless. Like you're putting in all this effort for barely any visible change. But what you're actually building during that time isn't just money. You're building discipline, awareness, control. You're proving to yourself that you can handle money differently. And that identity shift, that's everything. Because once you become someone who saves consistently, the game changes. Let's say you save $500 a month. At first, it feels like nothing. But once you hit 10K, that money starts working with you. Not just sitting there, but growing. Slowly at first, then faster and faster. At some point, you'll notice something strange. Your money starts contributing almost as much as you do. That's when things start to feel easier. Not effortless, but no longer uphill. And here's where life really starts to shift. You stop obsessing over small expenses. You don't stress over a coffee. You don't overthink every grocery item. Because you know your financial foundation is solid. Instead, your focus moves to bigger decisions. Where you live, how you earn, what you invest in. The things that actually move your life forward. And maybe the biggest change of all, your confidence. When you know you have a safety net, you walk differently. You speak differently. You make decisions differently. You can say no without fear. You can take calculated risks. You can leave situations that no longer serve you. That's what financial stability really gives you. Not luxury, not status, but freedom of choice.